silence of the night, hope is rising like the dawn. Chains are breaking, fear has vanished, for your kingdom still goes on.
Through the fire, through the storm, you have carried us with grace. Every shadow fades before you, light eternal fills this place.